after we have to write numeration numbers and notation numbers. Numeration means writing number into words. Numeration means writing number into words. We have to write the number in the word form. For example, if you see 100, how can you write this in word form? 100. It shouldn't be a given 100. This is the word form of 100 and 732. This is 732. We can write this in a word form as 700 and 32. This is the numeration of the numbers. Numeration means word form. We have to write the numbers into word form. Notation means write into number form. If a word form is given, we can write this number as a number form. Here 700 and 25 is given. 25 is given. Then we can write this as 700. So in hundreds place we have to place 7 and 25. This is the notation of this number. Okay, children. And we also discussed about digits. We have only 10 digits. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits we have in numbers. By using these digits we can form any number of digits of your number. We can form any number. By using 1 and 2 I am forming 12, 21, 112, 122, 1222, like that. I am forming by using these two numbers I am forming infinite of numbers. So all the numbers are based on these 10 numbers. All the numbers are written based on these 10 numbers. Okay, children, and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on are counting numbers. We are using these numbers to count. By using these numbers we can write any number. Okay, children, let's start the exercise. Okay, children, by using these digits we can form any number. If 6 is a single digit number, for double digit number I am using 3 and 4. 34 is a two digit number. I am writing 3 digit number. 123 is a 3 digit number. It simply shows these 10 numbers are these 10 digits are used to write any number. And the largest one digit number is What is the largest one digit number? See here. If you see these 10 numbers, what is the largest 10 digit number? One digit number in these numbers? 9 is the largest one digit number. And the smallest two digit number is If you see here, these are the single digit numbers, one digit numbers. What is two digit number? Starting number 10 is the first two digit number. So 10 is the smallest two digit number, and the largest two digit number is 99. because it is the last number and also the largest number. Okay children. Okay, next exercise, first problem is write the numbers. Write the numbers using digits. Write the numbers using digits means we have to convert word form into numerical form. 72. We can write this 72 in a digit form means we have to use these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 9. So these are the digits. Digit form means number form. So 72 in hundreds, in tens place we have 7 and ones place we have 2. 72. And second one is 200 and 36. Here hundreds, up to hundreds here. So what is the number in hundreds place? 2. So we can place 2 here, hundreds place 2 and 36. In tens place we have 3 and in ones place we have 6. 236 is the number. Okay, and next question. Okay, and the next question is write the numbers in word form. Here a number is given in digit form, we have to convert that number into word form, means numeration. Here 256 is given. We can write this number in a word form. In hundred place, what is the number in hundreds place? It is ones place, tens place and it is hundreds place. So what is the number in hundreds place here? 2. So 200 and what is the number in tens place? 5. So 5 into 10, 50. So 50. In ones place we have 6 here, so 56. Okay children. Another one is 422. Same, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. What is the number in hundreds place here? 4. So 400 and what is the number in tens place here? 2. 2 into 10, 20. In ones place we have 2 here, so 22. This is the word form of this number. I am saying another one. 535. So in hundreds place we have 5 here. So 5 into 100, 500 and here in tens place we have 3, 30, 3 into 10, 30. In ones place we have 5, so 35, 535. It is the word form of this number. Okay children, I will give some homework problems to you. Okay children, do these 2 problems as homework. Thank you, bye.